Hi, this is a quick note for Glared2.01, introducing a small variation, namely under the Details entry. As you can see, we changed the parameters. We still have a mix that decides the intensity of the effect, and we still have the range that decides how wide, in terms of pixels, the radius of the effect is. So I removed a parameter that wasn't needed and added two others, because in the first version of Glared 2, when you went to add detail on a scene that had very high brightness values, the Blender nodes automatically produced this black artifact. Basically, in an attempt to darken the areas around the very bright zones, these very dark zones are created, which aren't nice and create a problem. This Highlight Fix slider helps us fix that problem, and this Fix Range slider helps us to further extend the fix when the range of the pixel range is very wide, or to narrow the fix area when the value is set to 1. As you can see, by bringing the value to 0, the intervention of the detail itself is less noticeable. The detail works, but with the fix range on 0, the contrast effect will be less noticeable. However, the detail increase in overly bright zones is practically deactivated, while with the fix range on 1, we have greater detail even in the bright zones. It all depends on how high the pixel range is and how much these two sliders manage to compensate for it. Try using them. It's math you need to experiment with. I think they work well, but based on your feedback, I'll understand if I need to make further changes or if this thing actually solves the previous problem. Thanks a lot and happy working. Bye.